Hey everyone, welcome to the video today. In today's video I'm going to show you a new thing that Inbox Dollars has going, a big change that they've made, and I wanted to share that with you in case you are a current Inbox Dollar user, and if you aren't, you probably want to sign up because it's a great way to earn just extra cash on the side, and it adds up really quick. So I'm going to share that change with you today, and I guarantee you're going to like it. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? Like I said, this is Inbox Dollars, which is basically a survey site where you can earn money, but you can do a whole bunch of different other things too. They send you emails, although I don't actually go through the email system. I do it here on the website, okay? So for instance, I'll show you that real quick. You just go over here to the emails, and they're all right here. So it's just easier for me to do it here than to go into my email, my personal email. So you just go here, hit confirm this paid email. It opens up in a new site. You can just click right back out of it. And then it just goes to the next email. You'll just go down here, click confirm this email. You can exit out of it. You can look at it if you like or whatever. And you get basically 2 cents for each of these, but you see how many there are, all these right here. And I just go through them. I have 20 when I started, so now I'm down to 17. Like I said, it's 2 cents for each one of those. Not a lot of money, but it all adds up eventually. You can also do surveys. Here's where surveys are. Like here, this one's 75 cents, and it gives you kind of an approximated time that it's going to take you to do those. They also have a new thing, which is the shopping receipts. Okay, you can earn 2 cents by taking a photo of your receipt. This is very similar to another site I like to use, which is Fetch. And with Fetch, you earn points when you upload a photo of your shopping receipt. Okay, and they give out credit, gift cards, stuff like that. But that's also another good site. I believe it's called Fetch.com. It's an app. Anyway, so I'll show you this. So you can basically, like I said, it's pretty simple. You just, whenever you go shopping, you take your receipt, open up the app, take a photo, and then you submit it. And you're going to get, each time you do that, you're going to get 2 cents. So, might as well do that, right? Okay, so like I said, there's a whole bunch of other things you can do here, and they're adding to this all the time. I use coupons as well. You get paid for when you clip the coupon. Let me show you. And then you get paid 10 cents for when you redeem the coupon. Okay, so 2 cents to clip the coupon. It's just digitally, you clip it and then you print it out. And then 10 cents when you redeem it. They've got videos you can watch. You can, shop. You get kind of like cashback rewards, all kinds of different things. Okay, but here's the main thing I wanted to share with you. One of the major changes. They're making little tiny changes and improving the site, which I love. I've been using the site for years, and it pays out all the time. But one of the things that you have to wait till you got $30 in order to cash out, and all the other sites have a much lower minimum to cash out. So here's what they've done. I'm going to show you. I have $22.45 currently. I'm going to click on that. Yeah, well, here, this pop-up right here is telling you exactly the change they made. Reward starting at $10. It's now easier than ever for you to get rewarded. So yeah, the minimum is now $10, as you can see. So I can request cash right here, which I will do because I'm going to go ahead and get my money out. I don't want to wait till 30 bucks. It's easy enough to get back up there, but I go ahead and I like to cash out whenever I get anywhere between 10 and 20 bucks. So that's the main change, is that they've changed the requirement from $30 down to 10. Okay, So, you know, like I said, if you're already a user of Inbox Dollars and maybe you haven't done anything with them in a long time, you may not be aware of this. And the other thing, maybe you haven't ever heard of Inbox Dollars or you haven't signed up with them. But like I said, it's real easy to get up to $10, especially if you do the surveys. If you do everything together, the coupons, the email confirmations, there's a bunch of other ways to earn money, and it's not hard at all to get up to $10 pretty quick. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick, share that with you guys, and just kind of let you know about that change, because I was actually quite surprised to see it. I didn't really realize that, and I don't know when they made the change, but it's been rather recently. So that's all for today's video. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. If so, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, feel free to subscribe for more information like this, as well as how I make a full-time living online. Also, I'll leave a link to Inbox Dollars if you want to sign up with them and start earning your own money. So thanks, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.